Right, I'm going to show you how to work out some reacting mass calculations. There's loads of different ones. I'm just going to start on this easy one. Well, easy. So here we start with the question. So iron is made when aluminium reacts with iron oxide. So there's the aluminium here, and there's the iron oxide. Question is, what mass of aluminium here is needed to react with 640 grams of this? Now don't panic. Let us follow some rules. First of all, you need to cross out what you don't need. So look at the question. It says aluminium. So what mass of aluminium? So we want that, that's it, is needed to react with iron oxide. This is iron oxide. So you do not need, whoops, sorry. You do not need that, and you don't need that. Okay, so we ignore that. That's fab. Well, next bit, right, work out how much 1 mole of the iron oxide weighs. So that's just looking up on the periodic table. So if I look up on the periodic table, hang on, calculator's gone. So if I look up on the periodic table, I've got iron, top number 56. There's 2 of those, 56 add 56. And I've got 3 oxygens, that's top number 16. 1, 2, 3 equals. So the MR of iron oxide is 160. 160 grams. Now it says in the question that you've got 640 grams, so how many moles is that? You just do 640, what you've got, divided by 160. Oh, come on. Hello, Benny. Well, that's a lot good, isn't it? It's like being in a classroom. Oh, blinking in me. Why is that doing that? You mad person. Hang on. Let's sort it out. Hang on. Oh, look at that. It's professional. There you go. Right, and if you put that in a calculator, the answer is 4. So that is, you've got 4 moles of this here. Yeah, 4 moles of that. Now if you look at the equation, it's got a big 2 in front of the aluminium. That means there is twice as many moles of aluminium as there are iron. Because iron's got 1 mole, but we don't write that. So this has got 2. So we worked out if you've got 640 grams, you've got 4 moles of iron oxide. Fab. So therefore you've got 8 moles of aluminium. How do we work out how much that weighs? Well, 8 moles of aluminium, we need to look up what aluminium is. So aluminium is 27. Right, should I go for the pen? Should I? I'll go for this one. So 27 is aluminium. 27. And you've got twice as many. Remember, you had 4 moles. You've got twice as many. So that's 8 moles times by 8. The skill. And the answer is, let's get my calculator just to show, 27 times 8 equals 216 grams. 216 grams. That's the answer. Anyway, so there are different ones. This is just the first one. So do go on the other ones to check out all of them. We worked out the MR of this. We did 640 divided by the MR, which came out as 4. So now we know we've got 4 moles of this. We then said, well, we've got twice as many, so we must have 8 moles of aluminium. Looked at what aluminium is, the top number, the mass, which is 27. Times it by 8, and it told you 216 grams. Bob's your uncle. Fabulous. Thank you very much.